Welcome to the Audi SQ8 TFSI. This is the coupe sibling to the Q7, or SQ7, featuring a swooping coupe-style rear end and tailgate. You can get it in more conservative trim levels, under the Q8 badge, but here we're testing the high-performance S version. It might not look it on camera, but this is a big SUV, measuring just over 5 meters long and pretty much 2 meters wide. Ground clearance is variable thanks to the adjustable suspension, but in its default mode it offers 209mm. That's not bad for a luxury model like this, meaning you can take it off-road to some degree. With the standard air suspension, the ride quality is very nice, especially for a performance model, and even more so given it comes standard with massive 22-inch alloy wheels. These are wrapped in 285/40 tyres, providing heaps of grip in the corners and good steering response thanks to the low-profile sidewall. This test car also comes with the dynamic package, which adds active roll stabilisation and a sport differential, but it is an $11,000 option. It should come standard in our opinion. Audi always puts together great interiors, and this package is no different. The decor is very smart and sophisticated, with nothing over the top. Twin touchscreens embedded flush with the shiny black dash means, when it's all off, fingerprints and dust are easily visible. But when it's all switched on, the graphics and presentation are at the front of the class. Passenger space is plentiful, as you'd expect given the external dimensions. I love these sports seats in the front, and the natural driving position. And in the back you've got heaps of legroom, even in the middle position. Full climate control, as well as fine materials, continue through to the back. And this example also sports a set of very thick and robust rubber floor mats, which will no doubt come in handy for busy families. Up at the back is where you'll notice the impact of the swooping roofline. Rear seat headroom isn't really affected, as the coupe theme doesn't start until the boot, but that means the capacity is reduced slightly over the equivalent SQ7. This presents 605 litres, whereas the SQ7 offers 705 litres. A space-saver spare sits under the floor. Power comes from a mighty 4-litre twin-turbo V8. This engine is widespread across the VW Group empire, and is even featured in Porsche and Bentley vehicles. So, as you'd probably guess, it is a beauty. A huge 770 Nm of torque, accompanied by a lovely V8 soundtrack, makes it a bliss to drive. Acceleration is also outstanding for its 373 kilowatt tune. This is what it goes like.